welcome back to the channel. I just want to first start off the video by giving a huge shout out to all 130 people on the island so far. You know, with you guys I'm progressing faster, so just wanted to show you guys some love and just let you know how much I appreciate you guys' support. So today we're back working on the 06 Kawasaki ZZR600. In my previous videos, you guys see me take it on my first test ride, see me drop it, and you saw the new upgrades. But today I'll be diving a lot deeper into the maintenance, mainly to get the bike running a lot better and looking a lot smoother. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into it. First things first, I started taking apart the bike because the frames are pretty scratched up and damaged, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna wrap it or if I'm just gonna have to try to get a whole new set. And now that I got the bike stripped down, my next step is try to take off this clutch lever. At first I thought I was about to break the clutch cable because I really had to work it. Then I realized there's a certain way you can turn it and it's gonna pop out. So after getting the old one off, I realized the new one doesn't even fit. I wasn't faced with too many options. I wasn't trying to order another one, so I went with plan B, which is basically spray paint and gloss black to match the other side. After letting the first coat dry, I realized I honestly didn't need a new clutch lever. Repainting it was good enough, so while that was drying, it was time to give the bike a nice detail. Now that I got the bike nice and clean, I hit the clutch with some clear coat. And I was honestly ready to take it on a ride the next day, but as soon as that test ride started, it ended because it felt like my transmission was slipping. So luckily, the guy I bought the bike from gave me clutch plates, so I'm assuming that he knew they were going bad. And the funny part is, I never even had on my radar like, oh, maybe I would have to change the clutch plates. But I found a video online that made it pretty straightforward, so it wasn't really something to stress about. Here's a comparison between what's coming out and what's about to go back in. After getting it back together the next day, I decided to attack the spark plugs next. And it wasn't really much in the way. Once you got the gas can and the spark plugs off, the coils is right there. Next, I decided to swap out the fuel pump and the fuel filter. They're the original ones, so I'm assuming they might be clogged, a little dirty, just not running as efficiently as a new pair would, so I hopped onto that next. And after swapping out fuel pumps, I realized the new one was actually defective, so I ended up having to go back to the old one, but to actually get that working, I had to solder it back together because I ended up cutting the wire when I was taking it apart. Now the last thing I plan on installing is probably something some people do like, some people don't like. But in my opinion, I think it looks real clean, especially at night. And that's Underglow Lights. Install wasn't too bad. I installed the lights in 4 spots, so it's really seen. One cool thing I did do was connect the LED lights to the brake lights. So every time I press the brake lever, the bike lights up red. So now I don't need to really worry too much about being seen in nighttime. Here's how it looks. I think it came out pretty good. It really shows out at night. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed all the new upgrades. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you didn't, let me know your thoughts down below. I'll catch y'all on the next one.